Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one customer into your Salesflare? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to meet people in public, and you want to be sure to add them into your Salesflare CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one contact here on the left side, you're going to click on contacts. Looks like a little person icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two buttons at the top, and you want to click on my contacts. Once you do that, you're going to click on this blue plus icon down here on the bottom right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on this blue button here called contact. It looks like a little person icon. Okay, so here is how you can add a new contact. So this is to manually add just one contact. If you need help uploading a contact list, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So first you're going to go ahead and enter in their name. Okay, once you've added in their name, you can go ahead and give them an account name, email, phone number, work phone number. All of this is optional. However, if you have this information, I would recommend you add it in, because there is a possibility you're going to need to reference back to some of their contact details in the future. And this is just one easy way to store that information. Once you've added in the new contact, be sure to click on create down here on the bottom right. Okay, once you do that, the page is going to refresh, and now you can see we've added a new contact into our Salesflare account. If later on you discover more contact information about them, you can come back in here and that person's details by clicking here on the edit button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add just one contact into your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.